Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a cell bigger in Google Sheets. So first of all, you're gonna go into this website where it says google.com/sheets, and once you are at this website you will click on go to sheets here and make sure that you are logged in with your Gmail account, and then you will be represented to this page here where you can now edit your spreadsheets. Okay, so you can basically make a cell bigger by merging two cells. Okay, so here you can see that let's suppose if I want to basically merge these two cells here, so what this will do, this will make a cell much more bigger. Okay, so I will merge these four cells here. So you will select these four cells like this one, and then you will go into this format option, and then here you can see we have merge cells, and tap on merge all, and now you can see that we have all small cells here, but this is a bigger cell. Okay, so that's how you can basically make a cell bigger in Google Sheets. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.